Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to connect Shopify store to Instagram. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then you have to simply scroll down to apps and sales channels, and then here you have to simply click on Shopify App Store, and then basically what you have to do is simply search for Facebook, and as you can see Facebook and Instagram, so you have to install this app. And basically what you have to do is click on install and then simply open the app. And basically you have to simply link your Instagram account to your Facebook account and then simply click on get started. So if you want to link your Instagram account to your Facebook account, you'll have to simply go to your settings and then you'll have to go to account center. And then here it says profiles, you'll have to simply click on add accounts and then simply log into your Instagram account and then go back and click on your Facebook account, and here you're gonna see your Instagram account, so you'll have to click on it and then simply click on sync profile info, and then you'll have to go back to Shopify and then simply click on connect account, and then basically you'll have to accept terms and conditions and submit for review. So in order to connect your Shopify store to your Instagram account, you'll have to simply wait for approval, and basically you'll be able to start. As you can see, you can drive more sales, so you can use your Instagram account to get more sales. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.